Apple's big reveal: will the iPhone 16 change everything? The countdown has begun for Apple's highly anticipated Glow Time event. But what exactly will be unveiled? Speculation is swirling as fans and tech enthusiasts brace for what could be Apple's biggest announcement yet. Will the iPhone 16 live up to the hype, or will it be overshadowed by Google's newly launched Pixel 9 and Pixel 9 Pro? What secrets will Apple unveil on September 9th? Will the iPhone 16 redefine the smartphone world? Stay tuned to find out, and don't forget to subscribe, hit that thumbs up, and share your thoughts in the comments below. iPhone 16, entry-level powerhouse. The iPhone 16 is the most affordable entry in this lineup, but that doesn't mean it's lacking in features. It boasts a 6.1-inch OLED display, which Apple calls its Super Retina XDR display. This screen provides vibrant colors and sharp contrast, making it a strong choice for users who value high-quality visuals in everyday use. Whether you're streaming video or scrolling through social media, the iPhone 16's display delivers excellent performance. One of the key upgrades to the iPhone 16, compared to earlier models, is the inclusion of Dynamic Island. This feature was first introduced in the Pro models of the iPhone 14 series and is now being extended to the base iPhone 16. Dynamic Island adds a unique multitasking interface, turning the notch at the top of the phone into a more functional tool for managing background tasks, notifications, and even media playback. In terms of performance, the A17 Bionic chip powers the iPhone 16. This chipset is built using a 3nm process, making it more efficient and powerful than previous generations. The A17 Bionic delivers smooth performance across the board, from gaming and graphics-intensive applications to basic tasks like messaging and browsing. The A17 chip brings faster processing speeds and improved power efficiency, allowing for approximately 19 to 20 hours of video playback on a single charge. On the camera front, the iPhone 16 is equipped with a dual camera system featuring two 12MP sensors, a wide and an ultra-wide lens. While this setup may not compare to the triple camera systems found in the Pro models, it still delivers impressive photography capabilities, especially with enhancements like night mode and deep fusion, which improve low light performance and detail capture. The camera system also supports Smart HDR4, ensuring better color accuracy and contrast in photos. iPhone 16 Plus, bigger display, bigger battery. For users who prefer larger screens, the iPhone 16 Plus is the next step up. This model features a 6.7-inch OLED display, offering the same Super Retina XDR technology as the iPhone 16, but with a more immersive viewing experience thanks to the bigger screen size. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or working on the go, the larger display is ideal for those who enjoy more screen real estate. In addition to the bigger display, the iPhone 16 Plus also packs a larger battery, which provides up to 22 to 23 hours of video playback on a single charge. This extended battery life makes the iPhone 16 Plus an attractive option for users who prioritize long-lasting battery performance, especially those who use their devices for extended periods without access to a charger. Like the iPhone 16, the A17 Bionic chip powers the iPhone 16 Plus, ensuring excellent performance in terms of speed and efficiency. This chip allows for smooth multitasking, quick app launches, and seamless gaming experiences. Both models share the same dual camera system, including the 12MP wide and 12MP ultra-wide lenses, which provide high-quality photography and video recording capabilities. However, the iPhone 16 Plus does not come with Pro Motion technology either, meaning it still operates at a 60Hz refresh rate. It also lacks the telephoto and periscope lenses, limiting its camera capabilities compared to the Pro models. Despite these limitations, the larger display and extended battery life make the iPhone 16 Plus a perfect choice for users who prefer larger phones without the added cost of Pro features. The iPhone 16 Plus is expected to start at $899, offering an excellent balance of size, performance, and battery life. iPhone 16 Pro professional-grade performance. The iPhone 16 Pro steps up in both performance and features, catering to users who demand more from their devices. One of the standout features of the iPhone 16 Pro is its 6.3-inch OLED display with ProMotion technology, offering a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate. This provides a much smoother and more fluid experience compared to the 60 Hz found on the base models, especially noticeable when scrolling through content, playing games, or using high refresh rate apps. Powering the iPhone 16 Pro is the latest A18 Bionic chip, built on a 3nm architecture. This chip is an upgrade from the A17 found in the standard models and provides even faster performance, enhanced power efficiency, and more advanced capabilities in AI and machine learning tasks. For users who need a phone that can handle resource-intensive tasks such as video editing, gaming, or multitasking, the A18 Bionic delivers in every aspect. The camera system is where the iPhone 16 Pro truly differentiates itself. It features a triple camera setup with a 48MP wide, 12MP ultra wide, and 12MP telephoto lens, providing significantly more flexibility and power in photography. The telephoto lens offers 3x optical zoom, giving users the ability to capture distant subjects with greater clarity. Additionally, the Pro RAW and Pro Race video features make the iPhone 16 Pro a strong contender for professional photographers and videographers who need advanced editing options and superior image quality. The solid-state buttons are another new feature exclusive to the iPhone 16 Pro and Pro Max models. These buttons provide haptic feedback instead of traditional mechanical movement, which improves durability and offers a more modern, seamless design. Combined with the titanium frame, this makes the iPhone 16 Pro feel more premium and robust than its aluminum-framed counterparts. The battery life on the iPhone 16 Pro is also impressive, with up to 24 hours of video playback. This, combined with the advanced performance and camera system, makes the iPhone 16 Pro the go-to option for power users. It is expected to start at $1,099. iPhone 16 Pro Max, the ultimate iPhone experience. At the top of the iPhone 16 lineup is the iPhone 16 Pro Max, which represents the pinnacle of Apple's smartphone technology. With a 6.9-inch OLED display, it offers the largest screen in the series, making it ideal for users who want a truly immersive viewing experience. Like the Pro model, it features ProMotion technology with a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate, ensuring smooth scrolling and responsiveness. What sets the iPhone 16 Pro Max apart from the rest of the lineup is its periscope telephoto lens. This lens offers up to 6x optical zoom, allowing users to capture detailed images of distant subjects without sacrificing quality. The triple camera system, including a 48MP wide, 12MP ultra wide, and periscope telephoto lens, ensures that the iPhone 16 Pro Max excels in all photography situations, from wide-angle landscapes to close-up portraits. Under the hood, the A18 Bionic chip powers the iPhone 16 Pro Max, delivering exceptional performance across all tasks. Whether you're editing high-resolution videos, gaming, or multitasking with several apps at once, the iPhone 16 Pro Max handles it effortlessly. Additionally, its solid-state buttons and titanium frame make it both durable and sleek, providing a premium look and feel. The battery life on the iPhone 16 Pro Max is the best in the series, with up to 27 hours of video playback, making it perfect for users who need long-lasting performance throughout the day. This model is particularly suited for content creators, professionals, and tech enthusiasts who want the most advanced iPhone available. The iPhone 16 Pro Max is expected to start at $1,199, making it the most expensive, but also the most feature-packed model in the iPhone 16 series. Choosing the right iPhone 16 model. The iPhone 16 series offers a range of models to fit different needs and budgets. The iPhone 16 and iPhone 16 Plus are excellent options for users who want a balance of performance, display quality, and affordability. With the A17 Bionic chip, Dynamic Island, and improved cameras, they are solid choices for everyday use. For those seeking higher performance and more advanced features, the iPhone 16 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro Max deliver exceptional camera systems, promotion displays, A18 Bionic chips, and premium designs. Whether it's the professional-grade photography capabilities of the iPhone 16 Pro or the immersive display and periscope zoom of the iPhone 16 Pro Max, these models cater to power users who want the best Apple has to offer. Announcement: mark your calendars. The iPhone 16 is making its grand debut on September 9th. Thank you for watching. We'd love to hear your thoughts, so please leave your comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this.